I'm here to teach you, to show you rather, how to clean your sewing machine, the blackhead. Yes, so I'm going to unscrew the needle clamp area, the plate. Yes, I'm going to unscrew this part. Okay, I'm going to do this. I'm going to unscrew that part. Okay, then I'll move my bobbin case. Okay, then the compartment here, I'm going to unclip this part, then move my hook and the race. Okay, so I'm going to do this to dust it up. Okay, so then you're using your brush, or you have the pieces, a clean one, then you clean around it. Ensure that these parts are free of dust. Okay, so in this case, you dust off all this part like that. Okay, so you're going to get the pieces for you to be able to clean it properly, to ensure that this area is free of dust. Then you get your screwdriver or anything that you think can go through the fabric gently. You do that. Okay, so let me make it a little bit light and thick. Okay, so like that. Okay, so the inner part, I'm going to do this, clean gently with my hand to ensure that all this part is free of dust. Okay, once I'm done, I'll fold the fabric this way, then take it behind this part gently. Yes, to ensure that the part is free. Then I'll wind towards this part. Then gently, and of course here then we put our pin, then screw back. Okay, I have my wrist. I want to fit this back. Okay, so to ensure that the inner one is balanced, I'm about to fix this back, so I'll place it this way. Okay, to ensure that it's balanced, so that's why I'm doing this. Okay, I'll try. Okay, I think that's good. It's fine. So I'll do this gently. Yes, then clip it down and fix. Yes. In this case, my bobbin case, I would like to do this to clean it this way thoroughly. Okay. Yes. Okay, one more time, let's see. So clean the inner parts with your screwdriver or anything that you feel can go into it. Yes. Okay. I think I'm done then. I'll fix it back into the okay, so quickly do this, then to tighten it, you screw it down. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.